Hello everyone, good morning all. Today we are going to see daily use English sentences. Okay, let's see. If possible, forget me. हो सके तो मुझे भुला देना. If possible, forget me. You wait here until he comes back. तुम यहाँ रुको जब तक वह वापस नहीं आता. You wait here until he comes back. Anything could happen. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen. You know what happened yesterday? आपको पता है कल क्या हुआ? You know what happened yesterday? Tell me more. और बताओ. Tell me more. I have hardly taken a leave this year. मैंने इस साल शायद ही कोई छुट्टी ली है. I have hardly taken a leave this year. Don't lie to me. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me. It's not a big deal for me. ये मेरे लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not a big deal for me. It was morning. सुबह का समय था. It was morning. You kept me waiting for a long time. तुमने मुझे बहुत देर इंतज़ार करवाया. You kept me waiting for a long time. It doesn't matter whether it is day or night. कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता चाहे दिन हो या रात. It doesn't matter whether it is day or night. How can you do this? तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? Don't say such a thing. ऐसी बात मत बोलो. Don't say such a thing. He has fooled me. उसने मुझे बेवकूफ़ बनाया है. He has fooled me. Here is the food. यह लीजिए खाना. Here is the food. Pay attention to your studies. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to your studies. Do you agree with us? क्या आप हमसे सहमत हैं? Do you agree with us? I mean to say that you should not make such mistakes. मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि तुम्हें ऐसी गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए. I mean to say that you should not make such mistakes. Let me speak. मुझे बोलने दीजिए. Let me speak. That's not visible. दिख नहीं रहा है. That's not visible. Is that really me? क्या वह मैं ही हूँ? Is that really me? Don't create a scene or else I will beat you. तमाशा मत करो वरना मैं तुम्हें पीटूंगा. Don't create a scene or else I will beat you. Mom doesn't let me watch the TV. मम्मी मुझे टीवी नहीं देखने देती. Mom doesn't let me watch the TV. You are just what I had thought you were. तुम वैसे ही निकले जैसा मैंने सोचा था. You are just what I had thought you were. She no longer need my help. उसे मेरी मदद की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. She no longer need my help. Why do you eat so much? तुम इतना क्यों खाती हो? Why do you eat so much? Let's have lunch together. चलो एक साथ लंच करते हैं. Let's have lunch together. Get something to eat. कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो. Get something to eat. You are crossing your limits. तुम अपनी हद पार कर रहे हो. You are crossing your limits. We won't live here anymore. अब हम यहाँ और नहीं रहेंगे. We won't live here anymore. What do you say? क्या कहते हो तुम? What do you say? You can take as much time as you want. तुम्हें जितना वक्त चाहिए ले लो. You can take as much time as you want. You can call me whenever you need. जब भी ज़रूरत हो आप मुझे फ़ोन कर सकते हैं। यू कैन कॉल मी whenever you need. How changed the time is. समय कितना बदल गया है। May I sit with you? क्या मैं आपके साथ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit with you? Why didn't you tell me earlier? तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? I have seen her somewhere. मैंने इसे कहीं देखा है। I have seen her somewhere. Since when have you not talked to him? तुमने उससे कब से बात नहीं की? Since when have you not talked to him? I have seen you somewhere. मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है। What if he runs away? वह भाग गया तो? What if he runs away? Who knows? कौन जानता है? Who knows? Such a fat woman I have never seen. इतनी मोटी औरत मैंने कभी नहीं देखी। Such a fat woman I have never seen. Promise there won't be any mistake this time. इस बार कोई गलती नहीं होगी। Promise there won't be any mistake this time. I am having to do it every day. मुझे रोज इसे करना पड़ रहा है। I am having to do it every day. Why are you walking like this? तुम ऐसे क्यों चल रहे हो? Why are you walking like this? She said that she would wait for me. उसने कहा कि वह मेरा इंतज़ार करेगी। She said that she would wait for me. Let's do one thing. चलो एक काम करते हैं। Let's do one thing. You have helped me a lot. तुमने मेरी बहुत मदद की है। You have helped me a lot. I was sleeping on the roof. मैं छत पर सो रहा था। I was sleeping on the roof. Will you let my brother go? क्या आप मेरे भाई को जाने दोगे? Will you let my brother go? राम कैन गेट इट डन बाय एनीवन. राम ये किसी से भी करवा सकता है। राम कैन गेट इट डन बाय एनीवन. योर नेम विल बी अनाउंस्ड शॉर्टली. जल्दी आपका नाम पुकारा जाएगा। योर नेम विल बी अनाउंस्ड शॉर्टली. आई एम नॉट एनी पपेट. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ। आई एम नॉट एनी पपेट. Nobody can bear such an insult. कोई व्यक्ति इतना अपमान नहीं सह सकता। Nobody can bear such an insult. One thing is sure, he will not give up. एक बात तो पक्की है, वो हार नहीं मानेगा। One thing is sure, he will not give up. See further what gonna happen. आगे देख होता है क्या। See further what gonna happen. I will do whatever I feel. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा। I will do whatever I feel. Don't underestimate me. मुझे हल्के में मत लेना। Don't underestimate me. How much does this cost? इसकी कीमत कितनी है? How much does this cost? I want my money back. मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस चाहिए। I want my money back. Your support strengthens him in adverse situations. तुम्हारा सपोर्ट उसे बुरे दौर में मजबूत बनाता है। Your support strengthens him in adverse situations. Anything else you haven't mentioned yet? और कुछ जो तुमने अभी तक नहीं बताया? Anything else you haven't mentioned yet? To be honest, I am not going there. सच कहूँ तो मैं वहाँ नहीं जा रहा हूँ। To be honest, I am not going there. There was a park in that city. उस शहर में एक पार्क था। There was a park in that city. Why will you not go to see her? तुम उससे मिलने क्यों नहीं जाओगे? Why will you not go to see her? Why do you play so much? तुम इतना क्यों खेलते हो? Why do you play so much? I am tired of watching movies. मैं फिल्म देखते देखते थक गया हूँ. I am tired of watching movies. Just wait, he will come. इंतज़ार करो, वह आएगा. Just wait, he will come. Which city are you from? तुम किस शहर से हो? Which city are you from? What if it rains? बारिश हुई तो? What if it rains? He must be joking. वह मजाक कर रहा होगा. He must be joking. It happened just like you said. जैसा तुमने कहा था वैसा हुआ. It happened just like you said. It's not worthwhile. ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile. She is just to weep. वह रोने ही वाली है. She is just to weep. They dare to fool me. I will not spare them. उन्होंने मुझे बेवकूफ़ बनाने की हिम्मत की. मैं उन्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. They dare to fool me. I will not spare them. It is raining, so I must go in. बारिश हो रही है, इसलिए मुझे अंदर जाना होगा. It is raining, so I must go in. You both can't do a thing. तुम दोनों से कुछ नहीं होगा. You both can't do a thing. If you call again, I will inform the cops. अगर तुमने दोबारा कॉल किया तो मैं पुलिस को बता दूंगा. If you call again, I will inform the cops. I really don't like parties. Still, I will have to go. मुझे पार्टियाँ बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं, फिर भी मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. I really don't like parties. Still, I will have to go. I am lucky to have such a student like you. आप जैसा स्टूडेंट पाना मेरा सौभाग्य है. I am lucky to have such a student like you. Have you eaten the mango? क्या आप आम खा चुकी है? Have you eaten the mango? You don't know who I am. The whole of Delhi is scared of me. तुम जानते नहीं कौन हूँ मैं. सारा दिल्ली मुझसे डरता है. You don't know who I am. The whole of Delhi is scared of me. Don't trouble me. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't trouble me. She is not able to ride a bike. वह बाइक नहीं चला सकती है. She is not able to ride a bike. He dare not tell the truth. उसमें सच बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं है. He dare not tell the truth. Let him take time. उसे समय लेने दो. Let him take time. When will Nisha meet him? निशा उससे कब मिलेगी? When will Nisha meet him? She didn't sleep overnight. वह रात भर नहीं सोई. She didn't sleep overnight. I didn't call for it. मैंने इसके लिए फ़ोन नहीं किया. I didn't call for it. His finger got pressed. उसकी उंगली दब गई. His finger got pressed. Who is going to sing tonight? आज रात कौन गाने वाला है? Who is going to sing tonight? You must wait till the meeting gets over. तुम मीटिंग खत्म होने तक इंतज़ार करो. You must wait till the meeting gets over. I will be back soon. मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊँगा. I will be back soon. He has still not come. वह अभी भी नहीं आया है. He has still not come. There is nothing that can attract me. यहाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो मुझे आकर्षित कर सके. There is nothing that can attract me. As far as I know, he can't do so. जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. As far as I know, he can't do so. I have no regrets about it. मुझे इसका कोई पछतावा नहीं है. I have no regrets about it. Go and let go. जाओ और जाने दो. Go and let go. I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटे से ठंड से काँप रहा हूँ. I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours. Where did you get the money to buy this? यह खरीदने के लिए तुम्हें पैसे कहाँ से मिले? Where did you get the money to buy this? I have never experienced such a bad situation. मैंने इतने बुरे हालात का सामना कभी नहीं किया. I have never experienced such a bad situation. I found out where she was. मुझे पता लगा कि वह कहाँ थी. I found out where she was. He may have a book. हो सकता है उसके पास किताब हो. He may have a book. Then at last he returned my money. तब जाकर उसने मेरे पैसे वापस किया. Then at last he returned my money. Why did he quit the job? उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job? It is my responsibility. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. It is my responsibility. Come if you can. आ सको तो आ जाना. Come if you can. From my point of view. मेरे नज़रिए से. From my point of view. So, see this video again and again and revise these all sentences in your daily routines. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Take care.